In this video, I will guide you step by step how I create most of my scene inside Blender and lighten up my scenes. So let's jump into Blender and start creating the scene. So here we are inside Blender and this is our product. I will start creating the scene by adding a simple cube, scale it up, and I will place on the correct position. I deleted the two faces in front of the product. Now you can add our camera and set the camera. I am just setting up the camera. You can of course adjust the focal length. I will keep the focal length to 100. I will add a few loops here and I will delete some of the faces to make a window effect. So here we are adding our first light. I will add a sunlight here and give it a nice direction so we can have the those window type effect behind the product. You can of course play with the strength value. You can change according to your scene. For me the 5 looks best. Now split the screen into half. Sorry for this. I will position the product, move it a bit up and rotate it a little in the y direction to have a nice view. Here I'm changing the value of the power to 800 because it was a little off. Now it looks nice. And we are going to add another area light for the back. I will keep it the shape to disk, something like a round light. You can see those edges, the light is coming from behind the product. Adjust the light position and rotation value. You can see how the scene looks after adding two area lights. I will add one more area light which will fill those shadows on the right side. Here you can see we add a fill light. This creates highlights on the edges and fill the shadows. Basically, I just added a simple empty and I name it DOF depth of field. This is our target where the camera will focus on because I am now enabling the depth of field. Here you can see I enabled the denoise and now you can see the overall look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching today's lesson on Behind CG. If you want more tutorial like this, please like and subscribe my channel for more. If you want more video like this, please comment below and let me know what would be the next video is. Until then, keep creating and let's see in the next video.